1856. Yes, that was the year when two Englishmen obtained the patent for the first known use of corrugated paper. It's surprising because this makes corrugated paper only a 150-year-old invention, considering the fact that paper had been around for over thousands of years. What's also surprising is that even this invention of corrugated cardboard was not intended for making these boxes that we see today. Rather, it was intended to be used as a liner in tall hats. It was only in 1871 when corrugated paper was first used for packaging by an American man called Albert Jones. He obtained a patent for the use of corrugated paper for wrapping fragile items like glass bottles. Now, this packaging was resilient, lightweight, clean and inexpensive, and a market was promptly created for it. But it was dimensionally unstable and difficult to control due to its extremely flexible and stretchy nature. This disadvantage was brought under control a few years later by Oliver Long, who introduced one stabilizing facing sheet that helped strengthen the corrugated sheet, and soon thereafter a second facing sheet was added, thus leading to the creation of this, a double face corrugated board. Now, after all this was done, there was a Scottish guy called Robert Gere who owned a paperback factory in Brooklyn. In 1879, one of his machine operators made a small error with one of the settings of the machine, ruining all the production. He was basically supposed to crease the cartons, but he set the blade a bit too deep, and instead of creasing the cartons, it went across and cut it. But this mishap gave Gere an idea, and it led to the birth of cutting and creasing process simultaneously. And several years later, Robert Gere got his biggest client yet for a pre-cut, pre-creased corrugated cardboard box. And by the turn of the 19th century, the cardboard box would become the unique, ubiquitous and versatile creation we know and appreciate today. If you would like to get some of these custom made as per your specific needs, reach us at the number flashing on the screen. Hope this video was fun and insightful. If you did find it to be one, please like and share it. This is Ankit Ahuja signing off.